I'm out here at Vista Montaire, and I'm going to take you on a tour of a home that my client is purchasing. I'm going to give you a sneak preview, but before we go inside, I want to tell you why Vista Montaire in the Northeast is such an amazing place to move to. So we're going to take you on a tour of the community and show you exactly what's on this side of town. So let's go. All right, so in this community, the reason why I think it's super desirable is you have through Bravo Country Club, you have Kern River Golf Course, you have Bakersfield Country Club. Addition to that, you have a lot of things to do in the community. You have mountain biking, you have Calm Zoo, you have Lake Ming, you have Hart Park, where there's tons of activities there. So this is why this area is so desirable. And the other thing is you've got the Kern River right around the corner where you can go rafting and do your water activities over at Lake Isabella. So all right, hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Now we're going to jump into the home and take a quick tour. Let's go home and kind of give you an idea of why it's one of the most desirable homes here in Bakersfield. So this is a home, as you can see by the exterior. So we're going to take a quick tour. It's not 100% done. My client will be moving in at the end of July. So let's get started. Pause out front because I want to point out some things here that I just think are amazing. So I just love these little details that the builder does on this home. And this window it's good scale to the home, but when you get inside, it's so massive. And I love all the detail they have around roof, fascia board area, and then the two windows flanking the entrance, acrylic stucco, 3-car garage. This will be painted out. I think it's gonna be an urban bronze. So you got the double door entry, the transom glass, so it brings in that natural light coming in. Love this entryway. Has this, I want to say it's about a 12-foot foyer. And then you come to the right side here and you have this really nice dining room with, again, the tall ceilings. And I just love these natural floors. And over here would be like a butler's pantry, and the buyer's gonna do a custom type of white wine cooler there, so that's gonna look really nice. So let's go ahead and walk through here. All right, so to the left you have this nice fireplace. I love the way it goes all the way up to the ceiling. Then you have these double doors. These counters are amazing, turned out super nice. I love that the edge is, a little bit beefier than what they've been doing lately. They've been doing that European style, which I like, but I think this is way better. And I just love the way the veins just kind of carry over. But look how awesome this kitchen looks. Love this tile. Look at these double oven decor. And I want to show you this feature, which is pretty amazing. Here, open up. So if you're having a party, oh, that was already unlocked. These doors just basically go into the wall, and then you can entertain outside. You see how it just kind of slides in that wall. So these are the pocket doors. And at night, these views are unbelievable. You get the sunset over here, and then you get all the twinkling lights in the background, which will be nice too. So, all right, let's take a little bit of a cruise around. Let's go on this side of the home here, and I'm gonna show you the family room that I believe the buyer's gonna make it a game. Panning around. And no lights are on. This is all natural light. The white shaker with the gold. This room is massive, so what she's gonna do is do like a game table right here, potentially a sectional or a couch area there, but there are no lights on. So look at all this is natural light. This is south facing. Then she's gonna do either their TV there or there. And if you have company over, this is such a great guest room over here. Again, this vinyl planking looks so natural, so nice, and it's throughout the whole home, so it's great. And then look how awesome this bathroom looks. Very classy, very elegant. And again, nice thick countertops here with that gold carried out through there. Love that flooring in there. If you notice, these doors are 8 foot, and these doors are throughout the entire home. So coming out of the family room, there's the primary room there, and then there's 2 rooms there, but we're gonna go to the laundry area so you can see that. This could be a nice little coffee station. Right here is a little walk-in pantry for overflow. This is the garage. Again, those tall doors. And what's really great about this is you can close this off, because that would be your laundry room, and no one can see your mess. And what I like what the buyer did here is they added this door here. So, you know, you can use this for the dog entrance. You can have the dog run out here. And then she has also got the pull-through drive-through as well, which is really cool. Again, no detail missed in this home. She's got the gold carried throughout here. This will be where the washer and dryer is at. But I'm a little biased. This is probably, and I'm going to say this for the record, probably one of my most favorite homes in all of Bakersfield. And the community is amazing too. So there, go back this way. They were doing, I mean, it's still far, it was about a month off, but there's still a lot of details that we had done, but I wanted to get in here to show you how amazing this is. And again, this has the tall 12-foot ceilings off the front of the home. This would be a great library, great office, just because it just feels refreshing. Then we'll go to this other front room up here. Again, this is the window at the front. This window is massive. No lights are on, guys. This house just has some really good lighting. And then this would be the shared shower in the hallway. This is going to be a walk-in shower, so it has curbless entry. All the gold is carried through. Again, little details like that just make a big difference. Tile goes all the way up to the ceiling. That's really nice. But they're still working on it, so it does look unfinished, but it's still. All right, are you guys ready to see the primary bedroom? I have to tell you, this bathroom will blow your mind. So I'm going to take you on a little tour of this. So it's a lot to bring in, kind of take in, but this thing is unbelievable. Massive window out the back. This room is huge. You get a little sneak peek of the bathroom there. Then you put your California King off there, your nightstands, and then watch this, guys. This is insane. All right, I had to turn the light on this one, but look at these amazing floors. Floating tub, double vanities. The buyer's gonna put a makeup area there, so that's all gonna be finished when she moves in, but check this out. This shower is insane. Got a spray head there. Again, curbless. All this natural light coming in. Little area for your soap. 3 areas to control. So you got one for the spray head behind me, You got one for that spray head, and then this this cool handheld. This is pretty freaking amazing. Look at this, guys. A nice little bench right here. You just come right through. All right, there's even more. So, all right, so what do you think of that bathroom? Pretty insane, right? But check out this closet. All right, so let's do this. Six feet, but let's say I'm 5'11", 5'10". You got one of me, two of me, so that's 12 feet with another 3. So it is like 15 feet of closet. So it's probably a 15 by 15 closet. So that is insane. Almost like a freaking, well, it is basically a bedroom. 15 by 15, they're making bedrooms 12 by 10 right now. All right, guys, what'd you think? To tell you, this is one of my favorite homes. What'd you think? Love your feedback. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I love to show you other things in Bakersfield. If this was not your style, go on my YouTube channel and check out my other videos of other communities so you can see the east side, the southwest. I have videos of all new construction in all of Bakersfield. So see you in the next episode. Bye.